Hey everyone, welcome back to Vicky Views channel. Today, I'm excited to share my review of the Milachin bike accessories combo set for the Hero XPulse. Let's dive in. The combo set includes a radiator guard, headlight grille, and side stand cover. Priced at 1,527 rupees, this seems like a great value for money. Here's what I like about each product: radiator guard, laser cut, precise fit, and doesn't affect heat spreading. Headlight grille, stylish design, protects the headlight and easy to install. Side stand cover, sleek, prevents scratches and enhances aesthetics. Key features: color, black and red. Brand: Milachin. Vehicle compatibility: Hero XPulse. Material: best quality. Design: direct fit, easy installation. Installation is straightforward. I recommend professional installation for a seamless fit. Overall, I'm impressed with the quality, fitment, and style of these accessories. They enhance the bike's appearance and provide essential protection. Pros: affordable price, easy installation, durable construction, enhances aesthetics. Cons: no installation hardware provided. The Milachin bike accessories combo set is a great value for Hero XPulse owners. Recommended. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, please let us know below. Don't forget to subscribe for more bike reviews and accessories unboxing.